Hey there, welcome to Next Level English. In today's video, we'll be doing a fun and quick English grammar workout with 35 MCQs to test your skills. So grab a pen, get ready to challenge yourself, and let's dive in. 1. Choose the correct sentence. She doesn't like to swim. Tips: use doesn't for third person singular. 2. Choose the correct sentence. I have gone to the store. Tips: use have for plural subjects. 3. Choose the correct sentence. We were at the park. Tips: use were for plural subjects. 4. Choose the correct sentence. She can sing very well. Tips: after can, use the base form of the verb. 5. Choose the correct sentence. They go to the gym every day. Tips: use go for plural subjects. 6. Choose the correct sentence. I didn't go to the party. Tips: after didn't, use the base form of the verb. 7. Choose the correct sentence. He is taller than I am. Tips: use taller for comparisons with than. 8. Choose the correct sentence. The book is lying on the table. Tips: lying is the correct form of lie in this context. 9. Choose the correct sentence. She has a lot of friends. Tips: use has with third person singular. 10. Choose the correct sentence. There are many apples in the basket. Tips: use are with plural subjects. 11. Choose the correct sentence. We are going to the cinema next weekend. Tips: use are going for present continuous tense. 12. Choose the correct sentence. Can you help me with this? Tips: help does not need an S for second person. 13. Choose the correct sentence. She was very kind to us. Tips: use was for singular past tense. 14. Choose the correct sentence. My father works at a hospital. Tips: use works for third person singular. 15th. Choose the correct sentence. This is easier than that. Tips: use easier for comparative adjectives. 16. Choose the correct sentence. They didn't want to come. Tips: after didn't, use the base form of the verb. 17. Choose the correct sentence. She has never been to Paris. Tips: use has for third person singular in the present perfect. 18. Choose the correct sentence. The teacher gave me advice. Tips: advice is an uncountable noun. 19. Choose the correct sentence. They are working on the project. Tips: use are with plural subjects. 20. Choose the correct sentence. He did his homework yesterday. Tips: use did for past tense. 21. Choose the correct sentence. I will go to the meeting tomorrow. Tips: after will, use the base form of the verb. 22. Choose the correct sentence. She can speak 3 languages. Tips: use the base form of the verb after can. 23. Choose the correct sentence. I have never been to the beach. Tips: use been in the present perfect tense. 24. Choose the correct sentence. He was playing football when I called him. Tips: use was playing for past continuous tense. 25. What is the correct form of the verb? She to the store every day. Goes. Tips: use the correct verb form for a singular subject in present tense. 26. Which sentence is correct? I have gone to the store. Tips: use the present perfect tense with have plus past participle. 27. Choose the correct preposition for the sentence she is good. Tennis. At. Tips: use it when referring to proficiency in activities or sports. 28. Which sentence is in the passive voice? The letter was written by her. Tips: in passive voice, the action's object becomes the subject. 29. I wanted to go swimming. I was too tired. But. Tips: but is used to contrast two ideas or clauses. 30. This book is then that one. Better. Tips: use the comparative form of an adjective to compare two things. 31. Which of the following is a correct question form? Does she go to school? Tips: in questions, use do or does plus base form of the verb. 32. Which sentence is correct? We don't have any bread. Tips: in negative sentences, use do or does with the base form of the verb. 33. Which word is an adverb in the sentence "He ran quickly to catch the bus"? Quickly. Tips: an adverb modifies a verb, adjective, or adverb. 34. Which of these is a complex sentence? I like ice cream because it is sweet. Tips: a complex sentence has one independent and one dependent clause. 35. What is the past tense of run? Ran. Tips: remember, irregular verbs do not follow the usual ed pattern. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to hit that like button, drop your answers in the comments, and subscribe to Next Level English for more amazing content. Keep learning and see you in the next video.